How to use controller on Need for Speed Most Wanted PC. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you'll learn how to use a controller to play Need for Speed Most Wanted on PC, even if the game does not support your controller by default. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your controller. First, plug in your controller before you launch the game. Windows should detect it automatically. You can check that by going to Control Panel, Devices and Printers. Your controller should show up there. Step 2. Launch the game. Open Need for Speed Most Wanted. Try using your controller in the menus. If it does not work, don't worry. We'll fix that with a tool. Step 3. Use DS for Windows or Joy 2 key. If you're using a PS4 or PS5 controller, download DS for Windows. It tricks your system into thinking you're using an Xbox controller. Just install it, connect your controller, and it works like magic. For generic or non-supported controllers, use Joy 2 key. Install it, open Joy 2 key, map keyboard keys, and save the profile. Step 4. Map controls in the game. Now go back to the game. Enter the control settings. Manually assign game actions to your controller buttons using your mapped keys. Step 5. Save and test. Once you're happy with the setup, save your configuration. Test it out by starting a race and make sure all buttons respond as expected. And that's it. This was the tutorial on how to use a controller with Need for Speed Most Wanted on PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.